You're knee deep in an Elden Ring boss fight, or you're crying because you can't beat Mega Man 4.
Don't judge me.
And a massive raid hits. Shout out? Nope. Mods are off making toast. What do you do? Well, automatic shout out is what you do. This tip has leveled up my stream in many ways. Not only does the raider get a well-earned shout out, but you also extract information from them instantly, so there's none of that, hey Mikey, domino pops, what have you been playing? Facade that we always do. You get that information straight away. It also frees up the mods so they can go back and make more toast. So how do you do it then? I'm going to show you. We're going to use the Mix It Up bot, and if you've not used it before, do not worry, because I've got a video all about setting it up and it is super simple. I'll link to that down below, but we're going to get onto this tutorial right now. Okay, we've got Mix It Up loaded up, and what we're going to do is click on the top left menu button like so, and then click on events, and then we're going to scroll down to the Twitch events. And as you can see, the one that's already highlighted is one I've been messing around before, and that is Twitch channel raided. Anything you put in here will occur, will take place when somebody raids your channel. So we'll go and have a look at what I've set up. As you can see, it looks really simple. It's just one conditional action, and we'll open that right now. Say I've got one conditional action, and it's based, it's got loads of other sub actions in there. So when this conditional is met, these actions will take place. It might sound complicated, but it's not really at all. So my conditional is when the latest raid view account is more than one, then do all of these things. Now I have that to stop any one viewer trolls trying to kind of mess with my stream, which I have had in the past. You might have had that as well, but it also stops any of your viewers who will find out that they can raid your channel anytime from their profile page just to mess with you. And if they find out they can do that, they probably will. That's the rule of Twitch. Then I have all these sub actions, which is basically the shout out then, because you just get this out the way, and then sub actions. So I just have a sound, a chat message, and an overlay, and it goes something like this. Okay, I had to cut to that so you could see how it works. So the sound's really simple, and to add any of these, by the way, you just go to add action, just as you would normally on a Mix It Up thing, but the action is here, and you can add sound, chat message, and overlay. But you could, again, you could put anything you want in here. This is just how I have it when somebody raids me. So sound, basically just look for a sound to do. Then chat message, this uses a few special identifiers, which I'll go through now. So it uses username, so I go check out username, they're awesome, and then it gives you the URL and the user, what the category they were streaming with, and the title as well. So I use all of those things because it's not, I don't think it's enough just having the category. I think it's good to have the title as well, because if they're streaming under, let's say, just chatting or retro, it doesn't really give you enough information. So if you get their stream title as well, you've basically got it all. I will put what I use in the description, because you're probably already thinking that, because it might be a bit overwhelming. So don't worry, all these special identifiers will be in the description. And then I end with a overlay images and videos bit, which I've switched to HTML. And as you can see, by the way, if you don't know HTML, do not worry. I'm going to put this in the description as well. But all I do here is display an image and the username to pop on the screen, like you've just seen in that example. And anytime you want to just hit that play button at the bottom, and you'll be able to test yours out on your OBS or whatever you're using. And then you just press save, and you are done. And that's it. But there's another awesome thing you can do to welcome in raiders, and you can find out all about that in this video over here.